Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Home app for Nest device setup, full guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone or tablet. Locate the Google Home app on your device. If you haven't already installed the app, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Google Home and download the app. Once installed, tap the Google Home app icon to open it. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email address and tap Next. Input your password and tap Next again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to complete it. Once logged in, you will see the home screen of the app. If this is your first time using the app, you may need to accept some permissions. Allow access to your location for better device setup. Now, tap on the plus sign in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Devices to start setting up your Nest device. Select your home or create a new one if needed. The app will search for nearby devices. Once your Nest device appears, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, complete any additional setup prompts. Your Nest device is now linked to your Google Home app. You are ready to start using your Nest device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.